Mag-iisa lang ako guys, marami akong naalala sa mga kahapon at pagdaan. Hawakan mo dyan, aray ang sakit ganyan. And they're moving here, but they will deposit money first on my account and they want me to pay the toys. Good morning. Mag-edit ko muna ako ng video. At saka today is Saturday. Yeah, Saturday. Maayong aga sa lahat. Maayong aga sa lahat. Yeah, that's why Roxy went crazy because she want to do her puppies. Yeah, which is really good. That's a good thing about Roxy. I was upstairs, guys, and editing the video, and she was on the stairs in behind the gate, the other side of the gate, and kept whining. So that's why I came down so locked. Now she want to do business. That's a good girl. But anyway, guys, good morning. Good morning. Watch news. That's what I usually do all the time. I always watch the news every morning. Yeah, that's what I do. And nothing else. Just news and nothing else. Because, you know, I cook breakfast. I forgot to get some croissants from Costco yesterday or the other day. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. Okay, you ready to come in to have your breakfast? Oh my God, tumutubo na talaga sila, guys. Hindi na mapigilan ang pagtubo, guys. Hindi na mapigilan. Hindi na mapigilan ang pagtubo na mga scallion ko. Scallion ko. Look at this too. Ay, nako. I just here on my laptop, guys. Tignan nyo. Nasa laptop lang ako, guys. Kasi, my sister-in-law, tumawag siya. She called me and, yeah, tumawag siya. And then, yun lang. Wala namang nangyari. Yanun lang din ang usapan. Mga, kailan kayo alis? Kailan na? Bakit hindi kayo talagang, ganyan. Ganyan lang mga conversation namin. Walang, ay naku, nakakaloka. At tumawag din yung asawa ko. Nagpatungo na siya trabaho. At saka, nagre-reply ako ng message, email, from the individual people looking for help being a nanny. And yeah, I just kinda just keep looking a job, guys. Never ends. Okay, guys, nakaano na, guys. Tapos na akong nag-email back. At saka, I need to go upstairs kasi ba't hindi ito nagpo-focus? Doon palagi nagpo-focus, oh. Ba't doon ka nagpo-focus, ha? Ay, natutulog ang mga kigwahon. Natutulog ang mga kigwahon ni Mama. Mama's kigwahon natutulog. Ay, nako. There's no tulog-tulog, kigwa-kigwa, ha? Look at Hubs, dimples. It's a nice day today. Like it. I like this weather. Oh, okay. Oh my. Sana may liguan din kami, no? Yung ganyan ba? Swimming pool. Sana magka-swimming pool kami. Kasi masaya pag may swimming pool, maliligo ka. Yeah. Kaso wala. In the future, baka magkaroon kami. Yung marami akong maalala, guys, eh. Kapag mag-inusara ako ba? Kapag mag-iisa lang ako, guys, marami akong naalala sa mga kahapon at nagdaan. Kahapon at nagdaan talaga, eh. Nagdaan ba yun? Kahapon at ang nakaraan. O hindi nagdaan. Tinuhak. Maganda yung drama, guys, na sa Cebu. Yung mga Bisaya. Iba yung nasa TV at saka yung na drama. Interesting kasi hindi mo sila nakikita. Na-imagine mo na lang. Imaginein mo na lang kahit nandun sila sa kama. Nag-ano-ano sila. Nagtuliling-tuliling. Naalala mo. Imagine, hindi mo kasi nakikita sa TV. So, marami silang magagawa. Diba? Kung sa TV, limited yung ano kasi makikita mo. Ang nakikita mo lang, mga kamay gumagalaw, yung paa nagharutan, ganyan lang. Yun kasi hindi pinakita. Iba kasi yung sa international na naghaharutan sa kama at saka yung local sa Pilipinas. Pero yung radyo kakaiba talaga, guys. Alam nyo bakit kakaiba yung sa radyo na mga love scene sa radio? Kasi yung sa radio, wala kang makikita, pero marami silang nagaganap, naririnig at mga sinasabi. Yung katulad ng, I will give you example, guys. Yung if sa radio, ang gagawin nila, di ba, marami kang marinig na haluk-halukan, yung mga agu-agu ba? Mga ingay ba, ingay. Marami kang marinig na ingay. At saka sasabihin talaga nila na huwag mo namang hawakan or hawakan mo jam. Aray, ang sakit, ganyan. Humaharot na naman ako. Humaharot. Ganito talaga ako, guys, pag naalala ko yung mga drama-drama. Yun lang ang naalala ko, mga drama-drama. Hindi naman ako maharot, guys, ha. Ano lang yung mga maalala, lalo na ngayon, init-init ang panahon at saka mahangin at saka hindi malamig. Ang naalala ko agad yung sa mountain kami, yung sa bukid-bukid kami tumira. Kahit sa barangay, hindi lang sa bukid. Kasi yung mga tao mahilig sa drama kung walang TV. Yun lang naalala ko, guys. Kasi yung sa TV, kakaiba man, di ba? Ang naririnig mo, like that. At saka kung makikita mo, Roxy's ears do like this when I do. When I do like this, Roxy's ear like, listening to what I said. Nakikinig ka at saka ini-imagine mo yung mga kamay nila saan pumunta, anong ginagawa, ganyan. So, ibang topic naman ito eh. Nakakaharot. Ano yung humaharot, guys? Palagi ko lang yun naririnig. Humaharot yung yan, diba? Humaharot. My face is really dry. I just washed my face this morning and put moisturizer. Ganun pa rin. Humaharot pa rin yung mukha ko. Okay, meron pa akong dapat atimanin. Marami pa akong dapat atimanin. Maglagay pa ako ng second coat doon kasi hindi pa nalagyan ng second coat. Ang bida-bida. Ang bida-bida. Ang bida-bida. You're so lazy, Rox. Bida-bida. Ang bida-bida. Look at that. X-leg. Your leg. Front leg. She liked to do with her front leg like X like that. You dance with mama. Come here, Rox. Come here. Mga gahig utak. Mga gahig utak, hoy! I have this and I have those mabdos. Ang mga tinuhak, magkaburong. They just keep licking it. It's sweet, so, and it's cold. Look. I'm just going to look at you. Don't worry. Let's see kung kakainin niya ba yun. Sa frozen watermelon. Kasi nawawala yung kanina ay yung binigay ko kanina nawala. So sana hindi nila nilagay sa ground. Oh my god, she likes it. She likes it. You don't like yours, mister? Sobrang fresh at saka sobrang gaan ang feeling kapag naliligo tapos na maligo, di ba? Pero natinga ako, guys, natinga ba? Na-confuse ako. But yung cloud nag-itim-itim. Yeah, parang may storm ata. Ay nako. Ganyan talaga pag sobrang init. That's what happened when it's like it's been hot and humid and stuff like that. And then after that, end up like raining. It's always like that. And then if it's storm, after the storm, it's a rainbow after the rain. It's a song, guys. It's a song. She's holding it. She's holding it, guys. Look. Yan itong isa. I'm kinda tipsy, guys. I don't know what to do. I guess this is what when you drink. I guess this is what happens when you drink 3 glasses of wine. Yeah. Oh my God. Nalalasing ako. Tignan ko muna tong movie kasi naghalikan sila. Naghahalikan na sila. Ay, naku, nakakaloka naman ito. Sige na guys, bye na guys. Bye. Cheers through windows. You're wondering if I'm okay. Secrets telling. Before I leave it all behind, I gotta tell you out of my mind. This time, stop living love. I guess I'm down to my last cry. But baby, before I let you go, I want to say I love you. I hope that you're listening, 'cause it's true. But my love couldn't much longer. Just can't forget the picture of your smile. 'Cause every time I close my eyes, you come alive. Oh my God. It's 5:41 ng hapon. Magwiwiwi lang ako guys ha. It's so nice outside. Pero gusto ko my God. Gusto kong makahiga. Kasi nalasing talaga ako guys. As in, nalasing ako sa 3 glass ng margarita. Madali lang kasi ako malasing kahit isa lang. Even though it's just one. I get drunk really easy and it's not good. It's just if I'm with friends, if I'm with friends and then drinking, I pass out really quick. The people that I've been talking to about sending emails back and forth tungkol sa trabaho, it sounds fishy, remember? It kinda sounds fishy. It ended up they want me to send them my address and they will deposit money on my account and they will send a toy over here. So what happened is I kinda ignore it because it's really fishy. So Tommy said just ignore it. That's scam. Very obvious it's a scam. Yeah, so I'm gonna send them an email. I don't think so. If you guys are a scam, I'm not, forget it. Anyway, so nice scam ako guys. Akala ko trabaho na siya, pero scam pala. Kakaiba kasi they say they're from Arizona and they're moving here, so they will send toys to my address. But they will deposit money first on my account and they want me to pay the toys because they will deposit money. It's just freaking, I get so scammed, and even though I'm drunk, I know it's ridiculous. I know what I'm reading, and Tommy said no, that's scam. I know the fact that from the beginning it's a scam, and they said they will get rid of the ads that they put in the website and they will hire me. They don't even know me. They don't even do anything yet. They don't even call me. They don't even talk. They're just sending email back and forth. It's kinda crazy, right? There's a lot of scam everywhere. Ay, nako. Anyway, guys, I'm just going to relax. I will see you later. Bye. I can't even close my eyes. I just been watching old video of Tony and Alex Gonzaga, and somebody making noises right here. So, I can't even close my eyes. This dog is making too much noise. Be careful, Rox, before we roll down here. Because I'm still kind of dizzy. And stuff like that. I kind of disappointed of the job. Ay, nako, guys. Ay, nako. I'm gonna respond. Get down because I'm dizzy. Get down because mama's dizzy. My baby wanna go outside. Yes, you're dancing like crazy. You're dancing like crazy now. Come here now. Come here now. Come here. Come here now. Come here now. Come here, come here, come here, come here now. No. I'm not gonna let you. Kasi guys, mayroong turkey over. Oh, mayroong turkey doon. Oh, lumipad. Lumipad din. Tignan nyo guys. So anyway, dito muna ako sa labas. Magmuni-muni at saka ang sarap ng feeling kasi hindi maginaw. Mainit at mahangin at the same time. So I don't feel like eating. It's already 8:08 in the evening and I still don't feel like eating. Oh my god, I think I drink too much and I eat clovers a lot. I don't know. Without you, although I meant to be the one to make you whole. One more chance, I promise you, I'm gonna have a go on one last time, because baby, I'm gonna have diabetes. That's not true. What I'm thinking, stupid me. We're gonna smell like bagong over here. We're gonna smell like bagong over here. One last time, I need to be the one who takes you home. Ay, iba ang lasing, iba ang lasing. Lasinggera, si manang lasinggera. Alam nyo, bakit ako ganito? Ganito ako, pag hubog-hubog gamay. Nawala-wala naman ako kahubog gamay. I'm just gonna have this bagong, ginisang bagong. And then I'm gonna have it with a lot of spicy chili thing. And then with lemon. The lemon, fresh squeeze lemon. In the can, in the gallon, the Tommy fan, in the Korean store. Image, Mart, whatever. I'm just gonna keep talking and cooking over here bagoong. I don't care if you're gonna keep sneezing. Aching! Roxy said that. I don't care if you're just gonna keep sneezing, but me, I'm just gonna cook my bagoong, and then we're gonna smell bagoong over here. So anyway, this is it. Pansit dito. So magkuha lang ako ng rice at kainitin ko at kita-kits. Ito yun guys, oh. Sobrang sili guys, grabe, pinipiga ko talaga, as in piga ko talaga. So ito yun, tikman natin. Wala akong gulay, ito lang. Oh my god, ang ahang. Oh my god, this is really good and so spicy too. I squeezed the whole thing, only one chili, pero in-squeeze ko talaga guys. Walang gulay. This is good already, good dinner. Pilipino talaga. Good night guys. Andito na ako sa bedroom. Pero good night na guys. Matutulog na ako kasi late na. It's almost 10 o'clock. But anyway, good night. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you tomorrow. Bye-bye! Dito pala ka, oy! Ipalo-palo, may pala ka, oy! I don't go up.